Chemistry is really awesome because there's so many different types of chemistry, and here at CSU, the chemistry major is amazing. The people available to support are fantastic. You have some incredibly interesting professors. It's a small community. You're going to get close to the people in your classes. My name's Dylan Medina. I'm a senior in the chemistry major here at CSU. A typical Tuesday, I'll wake up. It's the day I get to sleep in. Get up around 7:30. I'll head up to the schoolhouse. My first class is solid state chemistry.
One electron approximation, meaning we're only dealing with one electron at a time.
I applied for the accelerated master's program and was accepted, which is allowing me to start taking my master's classes now. This is my first grad level class. It's really interesting. The majority of what we do in class is small group hands-on projects.
How is S orbital just not one big node rather than like the two like antinodes for each?
We're getting into very specific of how solids and crystalline structures form and work.
Yeah.
So after solid state, I'll head over to e-waste management. Not everything's 100% reusable when we recycle it. Eventually that waste has to go somewhere. I like how it's, again, a very small class. I think there's only 9 people. And so the big focus is how we feel about how things are being managed, thinking about those impacts in multiple different ways.
I can see that argument.
From there, I will go over to the Laurie Student Center, LSC, for the Adult Learner Veteran Service Center, have lunch, decompress for a little bit. My background was previously as a nuclear chemist in the Navy. When I was getting out and looking around, CSU had the #2 veteran support program in the country. I like how close everyone is at the LVS. We're a very small, tight-knit group, but we've all had vastly different experiences than like the normal college student would. From there, I get to go back to research lab. I'm working on my senior thesis this semester. Most of my research I do through Amy Prieto's lab.
That's common, right? This is your definition.
So instead of a 2-dimensional battery, what I'm trying to do is electrodeposit the material on more of like a metal sponge, which is going to drastically increase charge rates. If your phone discharges over 12 hours, I theoretically could be able to recharge it in like 10 minutes. Getting involved with undergraduate research allows you the opportunity for experiment and design, getting hands-on experience and learning and getting confident with failure. From there, we'll go to the chemistry building for the seminars we hold each week till about 6. Within the department, I feel like a lot of the faculty is very supportive, and I feel like most people in the undergrad program are here because they like the environment and the community. I'll head over to the Adora Pool and Ice Center for underwater hockey. Outside of just the chemistry department, I've found a lot of support within the ALVS and the underwater hockey community. You're going to meet a lot of people, get close with them, and then the beauty of Fort Collins and the area around it. It's definitely a place to come see.
Have a good day.